He says that Bo, the first dog, is a staunch conservative and identifies with being a Republican and not a Democrat. What is it, boy? He says that the maid, Miss Molly, is a bitch. She helps herself to the booze and medicine cabinet as soon as the door closes. What, boy? Really? He says that he'd rather shears knit a pine cone than watch another episode of the God Awful Puppet Show. What is it, boy? He prays that the new Star Wars movie would be good and not just be another golden shower because those last ones were golden showers. He is still pissed off about that. He wants to know who came up with the idea to fill Hot Pockets with nasty ass meat. What you say, boy? Again. He says it makes more sense to give a monkey a running chainsaw for 15 minutes than to watch the God Awful Puppet Show for 15 seconds. He don't like the show.